happening with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT, Weezy F baby, back again with another video for y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for coming through as always. Now, if you new over here, hey, I need for y'all to hold smash that subscribe button for your boy, because we on the road to 3K, man. And like I said in the other videos, we really close to it, man. We are really close. So like I said, if this your first time over here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this thing. And to all my day ones out here, I appreciate y'all as always for coming through and rocking out with your boy once again, man. Now, you guys see the thumbnail, you guys see the title. I had early access on these, and I'm kind of glad I got them, because this is the only pair, well, I ain't even gonna say the only pair, but this is one of the pairs that I really wanted. So I ain't gonna ramble, let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, okay, Nike, I see y'all. Like I said, I had early access on these things, and Nike, bro, they doing a good job without putting that Just Steal It tape on there, man. So regular boxes, I like it. Shout out to Nike for these, man. And I haven't had early access. I think the last thing I had early access on were the Royal Toe ones. So y'all know Nike been showing me love, man. So let's unbox this thing. All right, guys, so here we have it, regular degular Nike box, and the label reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, medium gray, varsity red, white, size 12, retailing for 100 of them rump shakers. 100 rump shakers, let y'all see that, size 12. And like I said, shout out to Nike, man. This is one of the many pairs I wanted, man. So let's drop the top on this thing, man. Ooh-wee. Oh man, UNLV vibes, man. What y'all know about that, man? For those of you who know me, y'all know I'm a huge basketball head, and when I posted the got 'em on my Instagram, like, I instantly shouted out Stacey Augman, Greg Anthony, Larry Johnson, like, what's my man? His last name was Hunt. I forgot his first name, but like I said, y'all know I'm a basketball head, so I had to shout those guys from UNLV out, because they beat Duke in the national championship, and y'all know I hate Duke with a passion. Not a Duke fan. The only reason why I like Royal Blue is because I'm a brother of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated. But other than that, I don't do too good Royal Blue, man. Y'all know I'm a sky blue guy. But here we have it. The UNLV Dunk Lows. Man, like I said, I'm glad to have this one. So let's go ahead and talk about these things, man. Now, these are very similar to the off-white dunks, the University Red dunks that came out a couple years ago. And the couple dunks that we're about to get, those are from the Be True to Your School pack. I don't know if y'all remember that pack, but back in like 1985, you know, a lot of the colleges, they had their dunks, but they came out in a high. They weren't lows, they were highs. So it's only right that with the rise of dunks now within the past couple years, that Nike go ahead and release these things, man. Like I said, dunks on the rise, and I'm not an OG dunk head. Like, my first dunk were the De La Souls, so I pretty much been chilling after that, because the De La Souls kind of went to outlet. So, but I was like, yeah, people ain't really rocking with dunks, and a lot of people, like skateboarders, were originally rocking with dunks, or like casual sneakerheads. Now, starting with details of this sneaker, with the outsole, we have a red outsole, all red outsole. Now, this red kind of reminds me of a scarlet red, and I kind of like the scarlet red. I wish they put this scarlet red on more shoes instead of the regular smuggler gym red and varsity red and all that. Like, I kind of like it. The camera ain't doing it no justice. It just looks like a regular scarlet red. All right, now heading up into the midsole. The midsole is surrounded all white. We have a all white midsole around the sneaker, and heading up to the upper along the toe cap. The toe cap is that scarlet red again, and heading to the toe box. The toe box is gray. Man, all right, now staying with the upper near the Nike swoosh, we have a scarlet red Nike swoosh, and that's surrounded by the Vast Gray. Now, speaking of Vast Gray, that Vast Gray dunk high, that's the only other dunk I want for right now. That's the only other one I wanted besides these. I wanted the UCLA joints too, just because of that Carolina blue. I know it had the yellow in the insole and the inside and on the Nike on the back heel, but it's Carolina blue all around, man. So I just needed that one, man. But I do rock with UCLA too, man. Like just off the, you know, Kevin Love, Reggie Miller, Russell Westbrook. Russell Westbrook at UCLA, him and Kevin Love, they were a different breed. I don't know if y'all remember that, man. But going back into this one, man, I didn't mean to get off track. Like I said, with the heel, we have the Nike heel stitched out in gray. All right, and then heading back onto the tongue. Now, the regular Nike Dunks do not have the fat tongue like the SBs. I know a lot of people like the SBs because of the fat tongue, but the regular Dunks don't have that. We just got a regular tongue, regular gray tongue, and we have our tongue tag on there, and that is stitched in red Nike. All right. Not too much to say about this sneaker. Like I said, it is part of the Be True to Your School pack, which was a very classic rendition of these Dunks. Like, I'm glad that, I wish they should have kept this going on all the time. Like, I wish they'd have kept this going along. But like I said, with the rise of Dunks, they just been moving, man. Like, Dunks is a thing now. And I didn't think they were going to sell out the way they did on the sneakers app. Like, they even, well, not even sell out. They had a draw, so, but I was surprised I had early access on these. Like, I was at work and I just got a notification on my phone. It was like, you got early access to the Dunks. I know some people had early access on the Cool Gray 3s, but I'm glad I got access on these, man. I wasn't a fan of the royal blue and the black ones. Not a fan of those, but I definitely want the white and black Dunk Low, and I need that Dunk High, that white and gray one. I definitely need that one for the collection. I'm gonna stop talking and go ahead and give y'all some B-roll, and we're gonna hop in the front of the camera, and we're gonna end this thing, man. And I got something special with this one. I've had this jersey for like 3 years, and I could never think of what to wear with it. I had my Johnny Kilroys, but I was like, I don't want to wear my Johnny Kilroys with it. But I got the Zach Morris Bayside High. Hey, rest in peace to my dog, Dustin Diamond, AKA Screech. But I got the Bayside High Zach Morris jersey, Saved by the Bell. And I finally can bring these things out, man. I finally can bring this jersey out, man. Because like I said, I had it for 3 years, and I've been waiting forever to wear. I'm probably too fat to wear it now, you feel me? But yes, man, I'm glad I held on to this jersey, and I'm glad I hit on these sneakers, man. But y'all let me know, was this a good match or not? Is this a good match? I think it is. Might be a little too matchy, but who cares? But anyway, once again, we have the UNLV Dunk Low. Like I said, this is one I'm glad I hit on, man. I'm excited to have these. Definitely can't wait to put these in the collection, man. I'm just glad I got them, man, for real. But now, y'all let me know in the comment section below how you feel about these and what dunks did you hit on, man. Y'all let me know what dunks you hit on, and are you trying to hit on the other dunks as well. But other than that, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Sending y'all love as always, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace. And all this beef out here, put some chicken grease on it. We gone.